Goldilocks and three bears. Once upon a time, there was baby bear, mama bear, papa bear. Once upon a time, Goldie was walking. He saw so much melon. She went and saw in the window there's so much food. Then she went and tasted the papa bear. It is so hot. Then mama bear, so cool. Then baby bear is so yummy and she had entire food. Then what happened? Then first she sat in papa bear. It is so hard. Mama bear is so soft. And baby bear is okay. He suddenly broke. Then what happens? Then he first slept on mama papa bear. Papa bear is so hard. Then he went to mama bear. Mama bear is so soft. And baby bear is okay. So what happened? And the 3 days came. And daddy told, someone tasted my food. And mommy told, someone tasted my food also. And mommy told, someone had my food and all. Baby taste. Then what happened? They went to chairs. Then daddy told, someone sat on my chair. Mommy told, someone sat on my chair. Baby told, someone broke my chair. Baby cried. Then what happened? They went to the Then papa bed was someone slept on my bed. Someone slept on my bed too. Someone sleeping in my bed. It's a girl. Then the bears got angry and the girl ran away.